Okay, we're back. We had a little vomit problem with the 9-year-old. Okay. So we have the introduction. Again, open E string, E major 13. Let that ring out, and then your E6, and then we're going to play those two harmonics. Now we have this fill, which sounds like this. So what I'm doing there is on the 6th string, sliding up from basically the 7th fret to the 11th fret. Nope, 5th to the 9th fret. So 5 to the 9, maybe with the pinky. And we play the 7th fret, 5th string. So all we have there is this. And now I'm going to slide from the 9th to the 11th on the 5th string. And then catch that 9th fret on the 4th string. So I've got 2 slides. There's one, and then the second. That's easy, right? So now the next part, we're just thinking about this triad, which is an E triad. So 4th, 3rd, 2nd string on the 9th fret. And then what I'm going to do here is just hold that down. 4th, 3rd, 2nd string. And I've got this hammer on. So I strum the 3rd and the 2nd string once. Hammer on that 3rd string on the 11th fret. So again, it looks like this. And then I'm just going to take that off and play those two like that. So I just did this. Now I'm going to hammer on the 4th string, and I'm going to pluck the 4th and the 3rd string. I'm going to hammer twice. So I pluck it twice. 1, 2. That's it. So here I go. So the entire fill is... So far this is what we have. And then the song kind of begins from there. And it's basically the same thing, except now we have this. So you'll notice we started that with an E major 7, or I mean the E major 13. Just like the intro of the song. And then I play the 7th fret on the 1st string by itself. And now I'm going to hammer on 7 to 9 on the 2nd string. So I have... And then after that, all it is a 7 on the 2nd string and a 9 on the 3rd string. So it's going to go like this. That's it for the E chord. And then we jump down to an A6, which is the same shape that we did up here on the E earlier in the intro. But we're just down in basically the 4th position. Our middle finger's the root on A, 6th string. So use that same shape we did on the E6 up higher. So here it goes. We got... So here I'm going 1 E and a 2. 1 E and a 2, so that's the 6th string, 1 E and then on beat 2, I strum the chord. And then we do a fill, and for now we're just going to do exactly the same fill we did at the intro. So 5 to 9, 7th fret, 9 to 11, 9th fret, 4th string, and then we got our... That's it. So the entire cycle for the verse is this. E major 13, time, so 4 times total. Okay, now watch this. Here's the transition. Okay, so that transition, when I got to the A6 chord, I'm plucking these strings. 6, 4, 2, 3, and then I slide up half a step. 6, 4, 2, 3. And now I'm into basically the chorus. So all that was the verse, or part A if you want to think of it that way, and now we're on part B. So this is the same shape. It's a 6 chord, but now I'm on the B6 because my middle finger's on the root of B. So that's the 7th fret, 6th string. Now here's our pattern. It's a different rhythm. That's it. So we're going 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. So a full measure. A little slower. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. And then from there we take that shape up to the G6. So your middle finger's on the 10th fret. Same exact pattern. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. And then we're going to slide down to G6. Same thing. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and. Now with the B flat. So that's the 6th fret with my middle finger. And notice there, it's a different pattern now. It's just 6, 4, and then I strum 4, 3, and 2. And then from here I'm just going to strum once, and slide down to our original A6 right there. And that's it. So I'm going to play the chorus starting with the transition. So here we go. So right there, that little last fill, we're sliding from 5 to 8. So it's a minor, and then 7 to 9, and then open E string. And then we're going to pluck the 2nd and 1st string harmonics. Let me try that one more time. So here's the end from the G6. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and 1E and a 2E and a. That's all we're going to do for right now.